Well, guys, day 2. We just got out here on Muskegon Lake. We're over by the channel, but it is a. Hold on, wait 1 second. It's a zoo out here. There's shanties everywhere. So we're gonna try to find a little opening to go catch some perch or whatever. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes.
I got something in my eye.
What do you have to say about this day today?
Dude. All the perch are gonna be caught before they get to us. The schools are gonna be picked through.
Is that true?
I don't know, look at that. It's like 200 ice shacks.
And they just go forever.
Alright.
Alright guys, so we've been out here for like an hour. Took us a minute to get things set up because it was so windy outside and everything kept blowing around, but we're all set up now and we've been having some dinks mess with us. Just kind of hammering it and then they're not there, but yeah, we got one keeper in the thing. And Trevor, you having a blast?
I'm not sure what to say about this. It's an odd trip.
Yeah. It's windy. It's not that cold today though. It's been like 20, but today it's like 35, so we got about a good 8 inches of ice. So yeah. Wish us luck.
Look right here. Look at them. Look at these little. Watch. See how naughty these guys are. Dude, these.
But yeah. See you guys.
My sweatshirt's all bunched up in my waders. I mean, my bibs. Here, I'm telling you. Look at it. I just hit something. I don't even want to set a hook on those. I got a reel sitting in the snow.
I felt it smack this one.
Hold on, I'm gonna hold it and see what happens. Yeah, baby.
Yeah! White bellies.
Let me see, how big is it?
Tanks. Tanks all day.
Her fuck will leave some pressure or something.
What the where'd you come from, buddy?
One of these days.
Mountain Dew.
What?
The little ones love messing with your rod.
Did I get a hit again?
I don't know.
They're little stinkers. Now, what is this couple they're gonna do if you have a can?
Have we even tried spikes yet?
I got one on top of this rod.
This rod? The mags?
Yeah. Yeah, the mags.
How deep would you say we are?
About 50.
Or you can press that little... I think it's a better one. No, not really.
No?
No.
All dinks.
All day. Hooked up.
I think we got back in another school.
Yeah. It's been slow, but... Yeah, we got. He doesn't feel very big, but
You never know.
yeah, the water's deep. So. Oh,
That's a keeper.
big fat belly on him.
That's a 9-inch fish.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, baby! That's a good fish, dude.
For today.
Yeah.
Big fat belly on him.
What's that?
Or
They're all pregnant. They're all big pregnant little babies. Why have I not gotten a bite? What am I doing wrong?
right hagger's missing it.
Oh, there's something on here. Ooh, the wind is going. Imagine all the ice just moved on us.
We're in a drift.
You ever see Elf? When Buddy hops on the iceberg, floats away. That would be us. Out on Lake Michigan. I hope you find your dad, buddy! I look like Zoolander with this haircut.
Hooked up.
Watch your rod. This feels like a bigger one. Yep. Yeah.
I think so. It was. Yeah, it is.
Bent the rod
It
in
doesn't
here.
feel that big. No, it's not.
He's pulling.
Hold on. Put them both in the thing. Oh yeah.
Took my minnow.
Ah, dude, their gill plates are so sharp.
Here.
What a choder. Choder.
Watch that. You didn't really tell these guys what we're fishing with. Right there. These are the most... Take the minnow right through the back with the hook. Like that. See that? You can't really see that. It's a perch rig. You got double hooks. With a...
Is that 1 ounce?
No, it's a
3/8?
3/4 ounce weight on the bottom. I'm all tangled up here. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. These fish are all turned on for me. Pink and green, baby. Pink and green, that's what they want. Right there.
That one bit in a wax worm.
A little spiky. I was gonna tell you to change colors, but you're getting them on that too.
Yeah. Hey, those ducks flying over. Alright guys, well I just got home. We had a decent day out there. We caught about, say, 40 keepers between me, him, and his dad. But it was pretty slow at the beginning, then it kind of picked up towards the end. We caught some nice ones, 11, 12 inchers, but then some other ones were just okay. But we wanted to eat some fish, so yeah, if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, stay tuned for more content. Peace.